Hello guys, how are you going? Hey guys, Dirtbike Hooligan here. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this. Hope you're feeling great. This is episode 3, Pit Bike Adventures. There's this pump house that I want to go and explore, so I'm going there now. If you guys haven't already noticed, I've brought myself a microphone, so that's better than like voiceovers and all that. Sorry guys for no video last week. I had exams, but even if I didn't, my chain was broken anyway. I got a new chain, it's like twice as wide as the old one. So yeah, it's like a lot smoother ride as well. And it turns out my clutch is like perfectly fine, like near new. So that's fine. I got new oil though, because the old stuff was like real dark. I'm going to cross here. Oh, it's windy as hell today, so I hope there's not too much wind noise in the microphone. But yeah. Well, apparently this controls like flooding and like the water level, since we're so like we're like almost below water level, sea level, whatever you call it. This must be all the stuff they got out of the stream then. This is dodgy as. Feels like water's gonna come pouring out from there or something like that. Oh yeah, so guys, please comment below what you think about this microphone. If it's like clear enough, or like if you have any tips on like how I can edit the audio to make it sound better, or if I need to talk more often, or if I'm just like talking heaps of crap. If you watched this far through the video, please hit that like button. That's like a council truck, but oh well, they'll get over it. Because this is council area. This is like real loose gravel because it's like been raining as well, and it's probably not used really often, so trying not to fall off yet. So I want to keep my legs covered in skin. Rightio then. It's not going there. Where should we go? Let's go this way. Oh, don't worry then. Let's explore this way a bit. Because I mean, this is an adventure, so everyone's looking at me like, what the hell is he doing? Oh, what? Can't even get into there. Oh, it's bloody locked. Damn it. Oh well. Something ticking on my bike. Oh well. My chain's probably like too big for this bike. Well, I think it is because we had to cut it down. But this is going to be fun. Oh, nah. Maybe not. Oh, this is new. There weren't fences here before. That's where my first, I think my first Pit Bike Adventures episode was. All the trees were like, what the hell is he doing here? I'm pretty sure you can get pit bikes registered as like a moped, but oh well. It's gonna be muddy. Let's do it anyway. Oh god. Oh jeez. Yeah, that was muddy. Right. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Jeez, it's bumpy. Comment how many highs are cracked during this video, and comment what you think of my microphone and what I need to improve. Do I need to talk more? Or, oh jeez, I can't get through there, can I? If I need to talk more, or like talk more like off subject instead of like motorbike stuff. But oh jeez. jelly. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.